So अभी तक So hi guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm Simranjeet Kaur. If you haven't subscribed my channel, please subscribe it. If you have, thank you so much. So in today's video, I'm gonna tell you about brushes. So first of all, I want to tell you that I am having lots and lots of brushes. I have more than these brushes. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that which brush you need. So by the time I have learned couple of things, like first is like your hands can do magic rather than these brushes. Like mainly your fingers can do almost everything, not everything, but yeah, almost. So everyone just like think that for doing a good makeup or do a proper makeup you need lots and lots of brushes. So it's totally false. So you just don't need lots of brushes to do intermediate type makeup. I'm just thinking that you all are beginners, so that's why you are watching it, because if the person who has proper knowledge of brushes and all, why would he or she will watch this video? So another thing, like I'm gonna create a makeup look in this video also, so that you can know that you can just create an intermediate look by using lesser brushes. So yeah, without wasting any time, we just go straight to the video. First of all, I'm using this Pond's moisturizer. This is light moisturizer. Its smell is so nice. In my lots of videos, I've already told you that you need to moisturize your skin properly. You just not need to buy expensive moisturizers. You can just go for this Pond's, Nivea and these types of moisturizer which properly just moisturize your skin, so that there should be no cracks and nothing on your makeup. Mainly so that you can just create a flawless base. So now I'm using this Nykaa Prep Me Up primer. Just taken this much amount. Now I'm just doing this. So by applying primer, I have just created a smooth canvas for my makeup. So first tool of the makeup is a beauty blender, a wet beauty blender, not a dry one, a wet beauty blender to blend your all foundation. Okay, so now I'm applying this primer matte Lakme Neutral Medium 220 foundation on my face. Now I'm going to mix it with this Fit Me foundation. That's it. So I'm just applying it. Okay, so I'm just taking my this wet beauty blender. I'm just blending all my foundation. Now to conceal my under eyes, I'm gonna use this liquid concealer by Swiss Beauty. Now again, I'm just taking that beauty blender which I've used to blend my foundation. Now you just need a face powder or a loose powder to pack your under eyes or the places where you have put your concealer. So if you use a face powder, you get a sponge with it, so you can just use and apply it. If you don't get a like a sponge, so like something like this, if you are using loose powder, so you can just buy one more beauty blender. It should be dry, and just a dry beauty blender to use to pack your under eyes. That's it. So now here I'm just using this and I am applying a face powder. For bronzer and blush, I'm gonna use this Faces Canada brush. As you can see, it's a angular brush. You can see it's an angular brush. इससे आपका काफ़ी अच्छा मतलब एक एंगल सेट हो जाता है कि आपको किस तरीके से अपने प्रोडक्ट को अप्लाई करना है. अगर आप इस थोड़े से अगर ऐसा ब्रश जो है ये ज़्यादा मोटा हो गया, आप इसके अगर इससे आपको छोटा पतला साइज का अगर ब्रश मिलता है वो भी चल सकता है, बट मैं इसके लिए प्रेफर करूँगी क्योंकि ये पहले से ही एंगुलर हो चुका है, तो आपको ज़्यादा दिक्कत नहीं होगी कि आपको इसका एंगल कैसे बनाना है. आपका जाएगा ही ब्रश ऐसे, आप इसको अगर ये ऐसे ही जाएगा, बनेगी ही लाइन, इसकी थोड़ी डेप्थ बनेगी, फिर ये नैरो अपने आप हो जाएगा. जो आप सीधा वाला या ऐसे वाला ब्रश उठाओगे तो आप इसे अप्लाई तो कर लोगे, पर उसको थोड़ा सा ब्लेंडिंग में थोड़ी दिक्कत हो सकती है. तो मेरी तरफ से इफ़ आई रिकमेंड यू, सो यू कैन जस्ट गो फॉर दिस टाइप ऑफ ब्रश. So as I use for bronzer, it is just like this brush. You can see it's also a kind of angular brush. I have lots of brushes, as I have told you. So now I don't want to confuse you. So I'm just recommending you to go for this brush, okay? And by this you can use both, like your bronzer and your blusher. But if you think that your bronzer will spoil your blusher, so you can just do one thing, that you can take a tissue and you can just rub it by 1, 2 to 3 times, and all product will gone, and then you can just use it as a blusher also. I'm just taking it. Now I've told you that where you have to put your bronzer. Lots of you have asked me about it, so now I'm just telling you. You have to make sure that from here, this hairline, like this, you have to come like this and blend it upwards, not downwards. Most of you do this type of mistake, like then you just do like this and then blend downwards, so it will just, आपके जो फेस होगा वो लिफ्ट नहीं होगा, वो नीचे की तरफ लगेगा बहुत, वो सही अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. मेन चीज़ ये है कि वो अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. Now I'm just applying it. You can just make a fish face, so that you can know where you have to put your bronzer. You can see it's going like this, and here it's nothing. Now, as I have told you that you can just use a tissue paper, or if you are out of tissue paper like me, so you can just apply it on your hand and the all product will get out of it, and then you can just use a blusher, and every time, like I've told you, you have to make a smile and then you have to apply it, and you have to smile. Now you can see I have used bronzer and blusher with this brush only. To apply highlighter, as I always use a fan brush, but now as I've told you that your fingers do much better things than a brush, so I'm just taking this, just using my middle finger and then applying it. And try to apply your every product upwards. And I just forget to apply bronzer here and here, so I'm just making, like, I'm just doing my brush like this, so that, and now I'm just taking my bronzer, I'm just going to apply on my nose. And now I'm just using this brush and I'm applying here also, as I always do. So as you've seen, like, I have completed my whole base and I've just used this and my hands. That's it. Okay. So now this is Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer. So now just shake it, just apply it. I'm I've just applied it to fix my base. And I'm just taking this beauty blender and I'm just dabbing it on with very low hands. That's it. Okay, now it's turn for my eyebrows. Now for eyebrows I always use this brush, but nowadays when you go to buy anything related to eyebrows, you get a small brush with it. It's almost same but a smaller size, or if you use a pencil one for your eyebrows, you get a spoolie with it and you can just apply that pencil and you can just apply it. So I don't have that product with me which they provide a spoolie with it, so I'm just using this for my eyebrows. So yeah, I can just tell you an alternative that if you don't you can just buy this. It's a very good investment, it's not a waste of money. So if you buy this brush, you don't need to buy any other special product for your eyebrows. Like, you are doing makeup, so obviously you have your eyeshadow palettes with you. So I will show you. I think I have already shown in my recent videos that how you can use your palette to do your eyebrows. So I'm just again telling, like, I'm just taking my this Revolution palette. You can just go for this black and brown, mix it up and you can just use for your eyebrows. Everyone asked me that why we use brown color. If we use just black color, it will give a look of fake, so we have to mix it with little brown color. So you just go with black and brown. First of all, I'm just combing my eyebrows. See, it is looking very natural because I have mixed black and brown color, and I'm just not making it very broad because I don't like much broad, you know. मुझे मोटी मोटी आईब्रोज इतनी नहीं पसंद, बट या कभी कभी अच्छी लगती है, बट जो मैं अभी कर रही हूँ उसके हिसाब से मैं आपको भी सिखा रही हूँ. तो so yeah, now I'm just done with my eyebrows. So it's done for my eyes now. For your eyes, for me, mainly for your crease, you need a fluffy brush like this, a small fluffy brush. So in my earlier video, have I told you where you have to put your color. So I'm just again telling, like, I'm just taking a darker brown color. You have to put your color where your eyes closes. Like, I have to put my color here so that the color should go up automatically. This brush is just for blending your color. Mainly it is for your crease. I've just taken this, it is just like a pencil brush. This brush is just for कि आप जहाँ कलर डालोगे सिर्फ कलर वहीं डलेगा, कोई और नहीं जाएगा. जैसे कि अब जैसे मैंने जो ब्लेंडिंग ब्रश लिया था उससे मैंने कलर यहाँ डाला था और वो ऊपर तक अपने आप ही चला गया. इधर सिर्फ आप जहाँ जहाँ डाल रहे हो वो सिर्फ वहीं डल रहा है. हल्का सा जो मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा सा मैं बाहर आ गया है, सो आई जस्ट अप्लाइड कंसीलर, और मैंने अपने बालों पे भी लगा दिया है. Now it's fine. Now again I'm just taking this color, taking this brush, just blend all my color. so that no harsh line should be there. Now I'm just taking this golden color. So as you can see, I've just created a normal glittery look which you can go for, which you can do wherever you want to go. It's not a heavy look, and I don't know जो लुक यहाँ आ रही है कैमरा में क्यों नहीं आ रही है, बट रियल में ये लुक काफ़ी सही लग रही है. अगर आप करके देखो तो काफ़ी सही लुक आ रही है मेरी. Now I'm gonna use काजल. Again I'm taking this brush. Again I'm taking that pink color which I've taken before, and I'm just applying it on under my eyes. Now I'm just using mascara. So guys, off camera मैंने eyelashes भी लगा लिए हैं. eyelashes के बाद इसका लुक बहुत ही ज़्यादा अच्छा सा आ रहा है. मैं ऑनेस्टली कह रही हूँ, वीडियो में वो लुक नहीं आ पा रहा है जैसा असली में आ रहा है. तो एक बारी बस ट्राई ज़रूर करके देखना इसको, इस लुक को. ये लुक बहुत सही आ रहा है असली में. आई थिंक कि आई हैव टू अप्लाई अ थिन लाइन ऑफ आई लाइनर, कि जो थोड़े गैप जो बच रहे हैं वैसे अच्छा नहीं लग रहा. अगर ये काफ़ी हैवी लुक होती तो ये काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है ऐसे, बट वही हैवी लुक नहीं है, तो यू हैव टू अप्लाई thin line off. Now you can see the difference. Now I think कि मुझे लैक्मे वाली लिपस्टिक लगानी चाहिए. इसका ये वाला शेड है, देखती हूँ कि मेरे को कैसी लगती है. It's a really dark shade for me. So guys, you can see like I have complete my look. So in this look, to create this type of look, I have just used these 3 brushes. And if you asked about tool, so I can just add a sponge also. As these are the brushes and this is the sponge, so only these 4 things I have used. And one more, I have only used these 4 brushes and my whole look is complete. It's not compulsory you have to take this, because nowadays, as I have told you, that nowadays if you buy any product related to eyebrows, you get a spoolie, this type of brush you always get. Okay, so just these 4 brushes and then the sponge, it really help you to create this type of look, and it is really easy and fun look. So guys, that is it. So this was the video. So if you really like this look, please give big thumbs up to my video, and do share it with your family and friends. If you try to do this look, please don't forget to tag me in your post. I would love to repost your stories at my Instagram. The link is in below in description box for my social media Instagram. And any other question you have related to makeup or skincare, feel free to ask me, or you can easily DM me, or you can just comment below. So yeah, I will meet you super soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.